friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a recipe of mango shake with you. So for mango shake recipe, you need 4 medium-sized mangoes and you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You need 1 cup of yogurt. I'm taking a homemade yogurt. You can take any Greek yogurt or any. I would say take a plain yogurt. That would be a best idea. If you like a flavored yogurt, then it's up to you. You can take it off based on your choice. And you need a milk. And for milk, you need about 3 cups of milk. So now, first we need to wash the mangoes. I already washed for you. And then I'm going to peel the mangoes. So I'm going to first peel all the 4 mangoes. I'm going to do one by one. So once you're done peeling, then you need to separate the mango pulp from the seed. So you can just take the pulp off. So once you're done separating the pulp from the seed, you can transfer your pulp into the blender. Once you're done with that, you need to put your cup of yogurt in the blender and you're going to add a sugar. Once again, for the sugar, it all depends upon the sweetness of your mangoes. I would say first you can taste it. If you think they're not sweet enough, then you can add a sugar to your taste. But I'm just taking it 2 teaspoons. And over here, we are going to blend it for a few minutes. I would say 1 minute to 2 minutes. You can see how nicely it's blending in. We just want to blend the mangoes to the finest texture. And once you're done with this, you're going to add 3 cups of milk. So for that, I do have a measuring scale on the side of my blender so I can see from there. And I can add the 3 cups of milk. Again, it's up to you if you would like to add more or less milk. It all depends how thick the mango shake you're gonna like. So based on that, you can reduce or add the thickness with the milk. So we're gonna blend again for 1 to 2 minutes. I would say try different speeds so they can blend in well. So now you know that there's a lot of heat outside, so you can add ice cubes based on how cold you like, and then you can pour it in. And after that, you can blend again. So now our fresh and cold mango shake is ready. So if you think it looks pretty good and very consistent, and if you think it's thick, you can add a milk and blend it again. But if you think it's okay for you, then you can just pour it in any kind of cup or glass you would like to drink. And after that, if you want and you don't have any allergies to nuts, you can decorate with that. I'm just adding a couple of pistachios here. And here's your drink, it's ready. So if you like our mango shake, please like and subscribe to our channel. And always watch out for the new recipes we are going to put on every Thursday. Thank you.